Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be showing you guys how to reduce an image file, whether it's in JPG or JPEG. So if you're having issue with the file size of an image and you want to, reduce the size, then this video is for you. So open your browser and search for this, compress JPG. So search for this on Google and select the first website. The first website is compressjpeg.com. compressjpeg.com, as you can see in here. So select that website. Yeah, so this is the website. So you must be seeing something like this. This is the website. So tap on the upload files. Tap on the upload files. Tap on the upload files and select your files. So if you have multiple files, select the multiple files. But in here, I'm just converting one file. So then you realize I have a file in here. That's a JPG file with the size of 1 MB, as you can see in here, with the size of 1 MB. So after the compression is done, you realize there will be a percentage reduction on it. You realize in here, minus 56%, meaning the size has been reduced by 56%. The size has been reduced by 56%. So just tap on the download. So if you are converting multiple files, tap on download, or if you are converting single file, you can still tap on the download, or anything goes. So tap on the download. Yeah, and that's it. The compressed image will be, downloaded on your device. So that's how simple and easy it is to reduce a JPG file or JPEG file on your smartphone. So if you find this video helpful and useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.